right. Sledding 2021. Nice.
Nice. How she can go on her knees like that.
You didn't make it into the lake.
Thank God. Oh yeah, there's a big bump there.
That's a ramp.
Yeah, but
Come on, use your face to ramp.
Hurt my.
You don't have to run and jump either. Just sit.
Just be careful.
Come on. Let's see it. Aw, you wiener. Whoa! Wipe out.
See, that's what I'm worried is gonna happen. So she hits there. Pow! Oh, nice landing.
All the way.
That was fun. I really want to see that. When I jumped, I was like, I knew this wasn't gonna be that because I got like a 2-second air time, which is like crazy.
Dude, it was like 4-hour hang time.
It went like this for an hour and everything.
Okay, you're next, bro.
Yeah, it was 2 seconds.
You should go down with your face as close to the ice as possible.
No, I'll get my head chopped off like this.
Oh, come on. Back in the day, all we had for sleds was our faces. Just ask your Uncle Kyle. He used his face for a sled one time.
Alrighty.
Okay, do it to it. Go ahead. Ready?
Oh!
Keep your feet up.
Yeah, I think he was wanting to slow down. I think he thought he was going wonky. Nice! Double air on that one.
I'm good!
It's good.